So this is the hotel. I have been spending more time than I would like in hotels. But it's better than the hotel that I was in last year here, so that's always good. But yeah, so I'm going to try and survive this race. No view. So yeah, we're going to see if I can get through this race, man. This is going to be very tough. Alright, it's race day. I still feel terrible. I got my skins on. I got my trail running socks. I'm going to be running with this. Vaseline, very important for your armpits and friction. A power pack, ×2, ×3, ×4. I'll be taking those every 5 kilometers. Taking 2 salt pills every 5 kilometers. It's raining, which means that all the track will be mud and sludge. But I like the sludge. Thunderstorming has never scared me. It's probably because the only descendant of Hercules, the only Greek Spartan, real Spartan here in this nation, is me. So, thank you for the welcome. Let's get this fucking job done. Coffee, black, sugar, go fuck yourself. Unfortunately, I finished. The beast done. I have completed the Spartan repertoire. There's always a rumor, there was always a rumor that the Spartan races aren't exactly as long as they say. Like they said this one was 21k, it was 25k. 25k with an elevation up and down and up and down and up and down 3 times, 3 mountains of 1.8k, 25 kilometers. In distance, 1.8k elevation. But I felt pretty good. It took roughly, I started at 9, finished at 3:30, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6 hours of running up and down mountains. And the weird thing is I feel pretty good, despite my tonsillitis. I will be just resting and sleeping for about 24 hours. But it was quite scenic. We went up that mountain, then up that mountain, and down. I kept thinking the downhills are harder than uphills, and the uphills came like, oh yeah, no. The uphills are worse. I have completed the trifecta. I'm knackered.